Welcome here, folks. Fourscore's coming at you. And we're here today with a very special update and debut. We have here in front of me a very beautiful piece of machinery. This is a Ford, a 1999 at that, Ford E150 conversion van at its finest from American Vans. You heard it right here, folks, first. Sitting in my driveway right now. The Prince is on the prowl. It's time that things have been righted here. This beautiful piece of machinery, as I said, is a 1999. It has all the bells and whistles, and we're going to take a look at it right now, folks. As we come around here, we'll start on the driver's side. And it is a little bit dirty, but you know, as I call her, I have dubbed her the Mary Jane. The Mary Jane is very dear to me now, and we're going to have many Mary Jane-evil events. As you can see here, folks, interior here with the lacquered wood inlays here. Pouches for your different belongings, some storage here. We got the power windows as well as power mirrors. Here, as we roll in here, I have installed a little clock there with the beautiful inlaid wood, power steering, and of course, and everything going on here with the superior flex steel seats. Very beautiful here. Of course, everything is stock and standard. It is very good. We have installed here a little cell phone device here and cell protection. And, you know, everyone loves animals. So she's in there for our protection. We do have a nice Kenwood that we have installed, but we can also take a look at that when we get more involved in it here. Our gas cap is back here. For those of you that want to fill up on gas. And now we move back down to the tires again. Michelin MS LTXs. Let's take a look at that. Don't mind the little chipping there. She's had a rough journey from an undisclosed location here. Again, folks, this is the Signature Series 1999 Ford E150. Let's take a look, and we'll roll it back around here, around to the front, and let's take a look at the passenger side of the cab. Again, folks, this is the Triton V8 here, right here, folks, custom made Triton V8. Now let's take a look back around here. Beautiful, beautiful work here on the paint job, and that's the Triton V8 again. Don't forget it. Beautiful room here in the cab, passenger side. Plenty of room, custom airbags, custom made, folks. We got some water in there, you know, and a nice stepping rail down there. If you see, for those of you, we also have custom inlaid speakers here. We have a 6-speaker system, and we'll get into that here in just a second here, folks. And let's get into the heart of it. So here is the heart of it all. And we got the captain's throne right there. You need to be in control, and you need to see what's going on the high ground. So that's where we have the captain's chair. We have some great wood inlay down here as you walk in, and some nice felt inlining. There's the handle down there. We also have a push. That is a nice awning style flex window down there. And as I step in here to the captain's seat, you can see here we have plenty of storage in here for a audio system or whatnot that you want to have. We also have for you folks that like power fuse box. So that's where your fuses are here, folks. The cup holder down here. We have some optional fan control and a little cupboard there for your cell phones. And that's always a good thing. Here's an old style ashtray. This is a 1999, folks, so that's what happens there. We have these beautiful sliding shades that go up and down to give you supreme privacy. At the same time, we have these nice sliding windows that are not awning style, but again, give you that satisfaction of that nice breeze without getting the few what? Yeah. And that slides, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, and what we got now, and we have a nice thick layer down here. And, you know, a lot of people don't like it when you don't have these armrests, but you know what? This one comes equipped with it, and we are happy with that. We have another 4-speaker inlay here, some stereo and TV outlets, and another nice reading light. Now, if you want to talk about comfort, folks, we're going to talk about it right now here. I'm going to get back into bed here, and we have a jungle room made for 10. Oh, I hit my head on that. And look at the room in this van. Look at the room in this van. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I can go sideways, long ways, starway. It doesn't matter, folks. We are comfortable no matter what the... And remember, folks, you have the optional sunroof here. You can add your super fantastic fan up there. We have another port here for TV and stereo with another air conditioner unit. And also another reading light. And we have storage up here. Okay, we got storage up there. You can never have too much storage, folks. We got our beer opener here because, you know, this is 4 scores of beers ago. And as we mosey on back here, we have some room in the back here to open up the old doors there. And there it is. And we got storage back here. Under the bed here. And we got some nice, very nice door panels here with very well done. Very well taken care of. We got some storage here under the bed here, folks. And this is pretty much our garage. We got everything here from bicycle pumps to extension cords and all this things here. We got our certain hitch here, and we have our camper outlet right there, folks. All you need here in the E150 Ford 1999 camper convention van. And how you doing? And poof on you, souls. And you can stop at any time.